If you do experience an itchy scalp after you've tried these things, I would highly recommend that you go see a dermatologist. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kayla with Locswithkayla. This week we'll be tackling a dry, itchy scalp. So I know that at least once in your lock journey you will experience severe itching. This is due to many reasons, so I'm just going to get straight into it with the 5 things that you can do to prevent your head from itching like crazy. So first of all, we should be washing our hair every 5 to 7 days, no matter what. I cannot attest to this enough. If you don't want your head to itch, you need to clean that scalp, get the debris, get the invaders, whatever is not yours off of your head so that you can go to step 2 of how to avoid an itchy scalp and moisturize. Your head could be dry and seeking nutrients. And also when your hair is dry and does not allow particles to move, you have a higher chance of irritation. So by simply washing your hair and putting something on it, create the necessary activity for your locks to thrive. And number 3, this kind of goes into the moisturizing. You can use rose water to moisturize your hair. Rose water is amazing for moisture. It's 3 simple ingredients, and that depends on if you put an oil in your rose water or not. If you don't, then it's just literally rose petals and water. I use it very frequently whenever my hair just needs a little boost, something to moisturize and hydrate those follicles. And also I use Ooh Itchy Scalp as my go-to oil because it's a beautiful oil blend. If you're not the type to go out and purchase a bunch of different oils and mix them together, this has about 6 different natural oils like sage, lime, lavender, lemongrass, rosemary, aloe vera, as well as metal foam. It also has vitamin E and jojoba, but either way, you can go out and buy your own oil like tea tree oil and simply mix that together with maybe a rose water or just apply it directly to your hair. But I definitely recommend something along the like minty scale, maybe a peppermint or a rosemary, something that's going to create a tingling sensation, and that's also an antibacterial or antiseptic, because all of the oils that I just listed are, and they actually fight bacteria and invaders from your scalp. They kill them, neutralize them, so you have much less things in your head that could be causing it to itch, moving around, doing things that you don't want. The number 4 tip that I will give to avoid an itchy scalp is wear a bonnet at night. I definitely recommend wearing a bonnet and wearing a shower cap, because oftentimes when we are sweating at night or when we have water being penetrated into our hair, that allows things to attach to your hair, which also can create dryness or just things that we have no idea could possibly happen. So you want to protect your locks at all costs, just like you protect your private parts. You know, these are sacred areas. They are highly susceptible to things being penetrated and staying more so than anything. So make it a habit to cover your locks, especially in a shower. Even if you decide to not wear a bonnet, I definitely recommend wearing a shower cap, because that mist will suck all of the moisture, all of the life out of your locks, and then you're back to square one, which is needing to wash your hair or possibly moisturize. And that's it. This week is really simple. Itchy scalp typically stems from those 5 things, more so just not washing your hair and not having the right moisture regimen. If you do experience an itchy scalp after you've tried these things, I would highly recommend that you go see a dermatologist, especially if you have already tried these things and you're seeking out internet help to diagnose your scalp issues. I would definitely recommend going to see someone about it. We are not doctors. I am not a doctor. I do not prescribe you to do anything other than what is natural to your hair based off of my own experience. So take your hair seriously, take your locks seriously, and do what you need to do to figure out what's going on with your hair. Thank you so much for watching this week. I really appreciate you. Please feel free to like and subscribe to this video. Also, please feel free to place a comment in the comment section on what you use to moisturize your hair or your itchy scalp. Or you could just simply say hi to the Locked Lovelies. Thank you so much again for watching my video, and I can't wait to see you next week.